Alexa, tell Ori to hide my bed.
In your bed. Have a great day.
Voice control with Amazon's Alexa is just one of the ways Ori Systems strives to transform the tiny apartment market.
You know, when we think about transformation, it needs to be effortless.
And connected and autonomous. Inspired by robotics, Ori CEO Asier Larrea helped develop this movable furniture system at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology.
So a system that divides the space, a system that hides the bed, and a system that brings a ton of storage.
But before you get flashbacks of the Murphy bed at Grandma's house,
This is a computer, you know, the brain of the system that you just touch, and with just a gentle finger touch, you are moving a huge wall as if it was weightless.
a media room, bedroom, closet, and office are all built into that huge wall. The idea is to offer an option to millennials who want to live in the city but can't afford it.
Go look at the news and see the first thing. Young millennials being priced out of the market. That is terrible, because we are kicking out of these cities the very people these cities need to remain globally competitive.
With that said, Larrea is primarily looking to build relationships with builders. He has already partnered with Samuels & Associates, Boston Properties, and Skanska.
Think about feeding 20 units where you were feeding 15. And the reason you can do that now is because with these technologies, you can prove that a smaller apartment can act like if it was a much, much bigger apartment.
This particular Ori beta system was installed at Watermark Seaport, a new multifamily development in Boston built by Skanska. Right now, Larrea is choosing 10 developers to be a part of a beta showcase program.
We are looking for those explorers, you know, those developers in these city areas that understand the best that we have a big challenge, which is urbanization, and that by building things the way we were building things 20 years ago, we are not going to solve this challenge.
The full Ori launch is set for the second quarter of 2017, when a whole family of different systems will be released. Andrea Medeiros, Tech Home Builder.